Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, 2014. It's now 2:51 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed up. The S&P closed up. Price has closed back inside the long-term uptrend channel. And this is the 78% fib retracement level as well. Support is at 1900, resistance is at 2012. The NASDAQ 100 futures also closed up. Price is rapidly approaching resistance at 4113. A break of 4113 would be very bullish. Support is now at 3675. The US dollar closed down again. Price remains in the short-term downtrend channel as seen by these red dashed lines. Resistance is at 22.99 and support is at 21.81. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, October 28th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There aren't any strong currencies, and there's only one weak currency. There aren't any qualified pairs. And here's our trade summary chart for October. For open trades, presently there aren't any open trades. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today. We'll now look at some price charts. There aren't any qualified pairs today, so we'll just look at the pound pairs. Here's the euro pound. Price has been moving in a sideways channel, and at the present time it is about the center of that channel. Second is the pound Aussie dollar. We can see the strength of the pound through this movement, but at the present time we've seemed to move into a sideways channel. Next is the pound Canadian dollar. For the last few weeks, we've been moving in a sideways channel. Here's the pound Swiss franc. For the last couple of months, price has really been moving sideways. Fifth is the pound yen. We went from a long-term sideways channel, a little bit bullish, a little bit bearish, but we're back inside that sideways channel. Next is the pound New Zealand dollar. As with the pound Aussie dollar, we see a strong movement because of the strength of the pound, but coming back into a sideways channel. And last is the pound US dollar. We see a strong movement because of the strength of the US dollar, but we've been pretty much going sideways since then. Thank you for watching my daily Forex Trend Review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.